Welcome to the Netiquette Next and welcome back to the series of Canva. Today I am going to show you how to edit a post and which tools we can use to edit the post and their functionalities as well. I'm going to choose the social media post. Here I click on Facebook and I'm gonna pick any of them. I already have picked this one in my previous video, but I can choose another one as well. This one looks more convenient. So it appeared here like this. We can edit this. So I will be editing it and showing you all the tools we can use to edit a post. Here this is our canvas. I have chosen it. It is unlocked. We can edit it, but if we edit it already, we can lock this. It can be edited now. We cannot edit it because it is locked. Firstly, I have to choose it and then I'm gonna unlock it. Now it is unlocked, we can edit it. From this point, we can duplicate the same page. I'm scrolling down and up to show you that the page was edited. Here you can see it. Here is from this point we can add any comment to anyone, to any web, to any friend, to any family, to colleague, to whomever we want. For example, I am asking my friend to check this post out. And now I can comment it, she can reply it, I can re-edit it, delete and copy the link. I'm gonna delete it because it was really unnecessary here. It was just to show you that we also can add a comment. So I have deleted that. The page is also unnecessary. It was just to show you that we can duplicate the page. I'm gonna delete this one. I'm gonna edit. We are gonna work on this. We can add a new page. I have added a new page. I'm scrolling up and down to show you that it was a new page, and we can also choose another template and can bring it here. I have bring it here. It appeared like this. From this, if I am saying it that this should be on top, I'm gonna click on it and it will be moved up. So the previous template is looking down and this one is looking up. If I want to rechange it, I can click on it and it is moved down. This one is up. Now I am going to show you how to edit. I have chosen this one. From these points we can use all these options one by one. From this point we can also copy style. For example, I choose this one. Here I'm gonna undo it. It was just to show you that we can copy the style. We have already discussed the log. I have choose this. I'm gonna show you the transparency. Now the text is becoming lighter. We can dark or light it, and we can control its transparency from this point. I'm gonna undo it because it was just to show you. From this point we can use position, arrange them, layer them forward, backward, to front, to backward. We can align the page to the top, to the left, to the middle, to the center, to the bottom and to the right. We can also change and can control the width and the height, but this is by default actually for the Facebook post, but we can change them if we want to create another post with the same template. So from this point we will be discussing that we can change the position. Right now it's not, because we don't have any duplicate. For example, I duplicate this and now I want this to look backward. Now to forward. I'm gonna delete this because that was unnecessary. I'm gonna click on it again. Now we can animate them. All these are the animations. This one is rise. I have clicked on it and the text rised. Rise. You can see it. It was looking like this. You can choose this one. It panned. Choose, and now it's faded. All these are fade and pan and rise, the animations. We can speed them up and speed them low. Move animation. It's moving now. You are seeing the amazing thing of Canva editing tools and their functionalities right now. These are the effects we can use. For example, I am choosing none, so here is no effect. For example, I am choosing the shadow. The shadow appeared under it. Click, and this is gonna look like this. An outline, a splice, hollow. This is for now. In the next video, I will be sharing the most amazing and other tools from these bar and from the left bar. Thank you for now, and please like and watch our videos and subscribe our channel. We will be sharing more amazing and attractive videos with you guys, and I will be continuing from where I have left it.